Namaste, I'm Dr. Hridya. Hope everybody is staying safe. So today I'm here to present a small topic named PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease. As you all know, polycystic ovarian disease is the most common hormonal disorder affecting women in the reproductive age. That is, the reproductive age of female is considered to be 16 to 40 years. So what is PCOD? Polycystic ovarian disease is the development of multiple cysts in the ovaries of the female, hindering the normal functions of the ovaries. So in India, according to the statistics in India, it is considered that 1 in 5 women is affected with PCOD. So if PCOD is not treated properly, it can lead to so many complications, metabolic disorders, and even can lead to infertility. What are the main causes of PCOD? According to Ayurveda, the most important cause for gynecological disorders is mainly unhealthy lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy food habits, stress, anxiety, all these things. So you might be knowing that in PCOD there will be development of multiple cysts in the ovaries. So what are the signs and symptoms of a patient who is having PCOD? Before going on to the signs and symptoms of PCOD, I would like to share with you one important matter. That is, PCOD usually comes in two forms. That is, one is the obese PCOD and one is the lean PCOD. Both these kind of PCOD actually needs different mode of treatments. For the obese PCOD, the line of management is different, and for the lean PCOD, the line of management differs. So, what are the symptoms of obese PCOD? In obese PCOD, the most common symptom is central obesity, weight gain, hyperinsulinemia, or there might be signs of insulin resistance like pigmentation around the neck, around the foldings of the hands and other body parts. There might be lot of weight gain, and the thing is formation of pimples, acne, excessive acne formation, male pattern of hair growth. There might be a lot of hair fall. So all these things, along with that irregular menstrual cycle. Coming on to the lean PCOS. In lean PCOS, the patient will be normal built or sometimes little bit undernourished, underweight. So in lean PCOS, the most common symptoms what we get from the patient is there might be irregular menstrual periods. And it usually in lean PCOS, the symptoms usually start from the puberty itself. Like even without any unhealthy lifestyle or unhealthy food habits, the patient in her puberty itself, like 16 to 20 years itself, shows symptoms of PCOD with irregular menstrual cycle, anovulatory cycles, not getting proper regular monthly periods, a long gap of 6 months between the cycles. All these symptoms, a more complicated version of PCOD is seen in lean PCOS. So both these kind of PCOD needs different kinds of management. Diagnosis of PCOD is usually done with the clinical symptoms like all these, at least 5 out of all these symptoms, patient exhibiting 5 out of all these symptoms. Along with that, we will do a ultrasound scan, ultrasound pelvic scan to analyze whether there is PCOD changes in the ovaries, and even much more for better confirmation, we can even go for a blood test. So with all these things together, we will get to a final conclusion that the patient is having PCOD. Moving on to the management. In Ayurveda, the management of PCOD mainly focuses on the pacification of the dearranged doshas. So in PCOD condition, mainly the Vata and Kapha dosha is mostly affected. So to pacify and bring back the normalcy of Vata and Kapha dosha, Ayurvedic treatment principles like Panchakarma treatment, Ayurveda, Snehana, Svedana, Panchakarma, and all these mode of treatments is used. Even in mild forms of PCOD with mere oral medication, we can manage PCOD condition to a certain extent. But as you all know, PCOD is a lifestyle disorder. So at Sanjeevanam, we have along with Ayurvedic mode of treatment like Ayurvedic oral medication as well as external therapies, we also have successfully integrated yoga practices as well as functional fitness into the core Ayurvedic principles, so that even after the patient is getting rid of PCOD, changes in her body, in her future life, when she has to lead a life ahead, definitely lifestyle management and correction is very much important. So here at Sanjeevanam, our PCOD management program focuses on Ayurvedic treatments, yoga, functional fitness and healthy diet. So all these together can help the patient to achieve a healthy, balanced life so that she can maintain it future in her life also. Finally, I would like to tell you all, let's all choose wisely and organically for the effective management of PCOS with the goodness of pure Ayurveda. And also, all of you should stay strong and stay happy with each passing day. Thank you.